Welcome to Type 1 Diabetic Warriors. Our team is committed to bringing Type 1 diabetics the latest medical developments to manage this disease. We also cover current medical advancements seeking a cure for T1D. If you value this content, please feel free to show your support by clicking on our homepage and hitting the link to buy us a coffee. Your support helps our team to research topics for upcoming videos. We thank you for your support.
Happy weekend, everybody. This is Type 1 Diabetic Warriors. My name is Jim. Today we're going to tell you about a new drug therapy. You're even going to like the name. It's called Levicure. Cure as in potential cure for type 1 diabetes. I think you'll find this very interesting. One of the best aspects of this therapy that they're developing is it integrates two other FDA-approved drugs along with their own proprietary therapy. We have the whole story for you. I think you're going to like it. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons. That helps us to grow our channel and reach more people with this important news on type 1 diabetes. Now let's find out what this Levicure therapy is all about.
Levicure is developing a breakthrough triple therapy for type 1 diabetes. Levicure is developing a promising triple combo oral therapy for new-onset type 1 diabetes, T1D, showcasing remarkable early results. Therapy composition and mechanism. It combines two FDA-approved drugs and a proprietary extended-release GABA formulation. GABA supports beta cell function and may modulate immune attack. The goal is not just to reduce insulin, but to protect and regenerate the immune-destroyed pancreatic beta cells, potentially restoring insulin production. Proof of concept clinical trial. A small human study, 19 participants, demonstrated strong outcomes, especially in newly diagnosed T1D patients after 26 weeks. Insulin usage declined by 69%. C-peptide, a marker of endogenous insulin production, rose by 147%. 70% achieved insulin remission. Animal studies supported this, showing 55% remission and 100% prevention in early intake. Next steps. Phase 2 trial. Levicure plans a Phase 2 trial with 50 participants. Inclusion: newly diagnosed within 6 months, ages 16 to 45. Duration: 24 weeks, starting summer 2025. Objective: show significant A1C reduction, crucial for FDA approval. Timeline and advantages. Since all components are already FDA approved, Levicure expects a streamlined accelerated approval, with market entry targeted by 2029. This approach could become a scalable, non-invasive alternative to insulin injections, transplantation, or gene therapies. 1. Mechanism of action. How Levicure's triple therapy works. Levicure's therapy is designed to intervene early in the autoimmune process of T1D while regenerating islet function. It combines 1. Immune modulator, repurposed drug number 1, likely a JAK inhibitor or anti-inflammatory agent, exact name not disclosed. Purpose: suppresses autoreactive immune cells that attack insulin-producing beta cells, helps calm the inflammatory environment in pancreatic islets. 2. Beta cell protective agent, repurposed drug 2, possibly a GLP-1 receptor agonist or a DPP-4 inhibitor. Purpose: promotes beta cell survival and reduces stress during early autoimmune attack. 3. Extended release. Gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, has dual roles. Anti-inflammatory, promotes regulatory T cells, TREGs over autoreactive T cells. Beta cell regenerative, stimulates replication and reduces apoptosis of beta cells. Extended release formulation ensures sustained systemic and pancreatic exposure. Net effect: beta cell death is reduced, autoimmune activity reduced, endogenous insulin secretion increased. This synergy is especially powerful right after diagnosis, when some functional beta cells remain. 5. Regulatory path and fast-tracking to approval. Levicure's strategy could significantly accelerate their timeline because 1. All components have FDA precedent. 2 of the 3 drugs are already FDA approved for other uses. Well-known safety profiles. Projected timeline: 2025, launch Phase 2 trial, 50-person, 24 weeks. 2026 to 2027, if successful, a larger pivotal trial. 2028 to 2029, submit to FDA. 2029 or earlier, market launch pending fast-track status. Bottom line, Levicure's therapy aims to halt autoimmunity, restore beta cell function, and reduce or eliminate insulin dependence. If Phase 2 confirms A1C improvements, They could be FDA approved within a few years, with an optimistic launch by 2029. Wow, that sounds like a lot to take in. But remember, this science is advancing quickly, and shortcuts could easily materialize, speeding up the entire process. This channel will be along for the ride and keep our viewers updated on all developments.
Okay, that's all about Levicure, and I love this triple therapy idea. I'll call it the triple play. I think the usage of FDA-approved drugs, you're going to see this manifest itself in an eventual cure, not just with this company potentially, but with maybe 4 or 5 different companies. Just like when we went through COVID worldwide, there were, I don't know, 4 or 5 different companies that came up with a vaccine. I personally believe that there are going to be multiple cures available for type 1 diabetics, in my opinion, in the next 3 to 5 years. I think we're coming to a head, and I found this one very, very encouraging, so we will follow Levicure, and they have a very aggressive timeline, and they're hoping to bring this to market by 2029, which is really right around the corner if you think about it. So I hope you found this encouraging. A shout out to one of our viewers who brought this to my attention, so I do read all of your comments and appreciate any input. Have a great day. We'll have another video for you here very, very soon here on Type 1 Diabetics. Type 1 Diabetic Warriors, let me correct that. I should know the name of the channel. And you have a great day, okay? Bye for now.